Hello everyone, it's just a dad. Today I'm going to do a comparison between these two alarm clocks with a light that'll help wake you up. So here I have the smart wake up light on the left made by JALL. Here I have the Hatch Restore 2 on the right. So the one on the left, you can adjust everything with the controls that are on it. With the Hatch, you do have to use the app to set the time and to set the alarm and what color you would like up here. Now we can pick different lights or different colors over here on the Hatch. But you are going to be using the app to set like the different colors you want, the sunrise alarm, and what time you want that to be. Now we do have two buttons we can turn. This is the rise button, which is like an eyeball that it's open. This is this is called the rest, which it'll play different sounds for different lengths and different lights will dim. There's the clock. You can set the clock to stay on all the time or to go off. And if you want the clock to come on, you got to touch it. There's the alarm. You can turn the alarm off or on, but by pressing these buttons is going to turn the alarm off. Let's go over some of the different sounds. And then there's the light coming on. This is called the Malibu Sunrise. And again, I can pick different sounds and a different light color and intensity. But here it is getting to full intensity. Over here, these are mood lights. I can turn these on. So there's the full intensity on both of them. Here's what both of them look like when they're off. I got different levels of dimness. I've got the big snooze button. Here's how I'm going to set my time. I'm going to do everything locally on this one. I've got two alarms. On the back here, I've got a battery that's built in to help save the time. You know, you don't need this because this is going to connect to the internet each time to set that, so your time will always be set. This one does not connect to the internet. It does have a little antenna for radio. Again, you got to plug it in the wall. There is a watch battery to help save the time. Two alarms. We can do them both Monday through Sunday, which is 7 days a week. We can pick one Monday through Friday and have one be the Saturday and Sunday alarm. You're going to turn them on and off. You're going to set the alarms, different sounds. We have a sleep timer, different mood lights. But when you want this to be an alarm, it only has that one light that's just depending on how bright you want it to be. It's going to be that sun. It's going to be this for when you do the alarm. But you can have it just have sounds for alarm, and you don't have to have the light come on. You can turn the light off. So if you need to kind of change the alarm varying kind of differently and you like physical buttons, this one's the one to get. The Hatch, you know, setting the alarm, it's got volume buttons here on the side where you touch. You can turn the screen up and down, but you are going to need to use the app to set the alarm and to set what sounds and light you want. So I hope this comparison video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.